All right, distance formula, B11. You might need to review how to use radicals, but set a 5-minute timer. Try this. See how far we can get. Might be a little tricky. Good review of algebra though, so big fan. Subtract the two numbers. You get 4. Square it. Subtract the two numbers. You get 3. Square it. And then take the square root. So the answer is 5. All right, we're probably going to get into square roots now. Subtract the first two numbers. Let me just write the whole formula. 9 minus 3 squared plus 2 minus 10 squared. Order doesn't matter because you'll end up with the same number. Just make sure you're doing the x's and the y's. 6 squared plus 8 squared is 100. Square root it, you get 10. All right, I'm going to skip to when it gets a little bit harder. 2 and 2. Okay, yeah, now you need to do the radical stuff. So this is 2. This is 2. Square root of 2 squared plus 2 squared equals square root of 8. That simplifies to square root of 4 times square root of 2, which is 2 root 2. So you gotta write 2 root 2. If you write square root of 8, they will mark it wrong. If you need help with this, we could do an IXL on this. We'll see how the class does on this. You might have to review rationalizing, but that's what they expect on this IXL. All right, 5 is the difference here. 4 is the difference here. Square it. Get 5 squared plus 4 squared, which is the square root of 41. 41 is a prime number, so you don't have to deal with all that craziness. Prime numbers are nice. All right, 6 and 4, square them. 6 squared plus 4 squared, you get square root of 52. And now you have to be careful because you can write it as square root of 4 times square root of 13, which is 2 root 13. Yeah, you might need some help on, some of you might need some help on rationalizing. But all right, here we go. 6 is the difference here. Difference of 6. Here the difference is 5. 6 squared plus 5 squared, square root of 61. Prime number. We're cool. We like prime numbers. No issues. 10 and 1, square root of 11. 10 squared is 100. Whoops. That was bad. 7 is 49. 25. 74. 74 is just 2 times 37, so no issues. 1 and 3 is 10. You do 3 squared, you get 9. 2 is 4, and then 1, so square root of 5. 9 and 6. Okay. Let me write the formula in case you run across it on the internet, so you're clear. It's x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1. Hopefully that makes some sense on how to find the distance using that formula. Now we're going to do that. 4 minus 1 squared plus negative 6 minus 0 squared. So 3 squared and 6 squared, 45. Square root of 9 times square root of 5, 3 root 5. All right. 3 root 5 units. 5 and 3, 34. Oh, we're in the challenge zone. 4 and 1 is 17. 17. 1 and 8, 65. 5 times 13, no issues. I misread this. This is 9, so it's 81 and 64. I misread it as positive 4. Oh, what a damper. 2 and 4 is 20, and then it's 2 root 5. And there's 5 seconds left. Let me just do one more from the beginning. That was 5 minutes. I'm just going to do one more just so you see the whole process and don't yell at me for going too fast. Formula: x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. We assign those values: x1, y1, x2, y2. Plug those in. 8 minus negative 2 squared plus negative 6 minus negative 9 squared. 100 plus 9 square root of 109. And we're done. Alright, wasn't able to complete it, but got pretty far. Got up to 91 in about 5.5 minutes. That's IXL Geometry B11. Good luck with this. Let me know if you have questions on Radic.